how to add or remove from cart on Allchinabuy. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So what we're going to do is we're going to first of course visit our Allchinabuy over here and we're going to search for items. So simply search for pants or any item related and you will be able to find all kinds of products over here. Simply open any of those options and over here you will be able to view a specific product, their description and so on and so forth. So you're then going to select the specific size and variants that you prefer and simply click on add to cart and it should be added to your cart just like that. Now to remove it, simply click on your cart over here and you're going to click on the minus button over here, which will subtract and remove our options over here from our list. Or you could also select all over here and click on delete selected items, click on OK, and you should be able to remove those items from your cart. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.